Say hello to the new Insta360 Sphere. If you take the drone Air 2s or Air 2 connected with this, you'll get a 360 flying camera. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 effects that can be made with the Insta360 Sphere. Well, you cannot make this shot with a regular drone. It seems like the drone is flipping, but this is just a straight fly-through. All magic is happening in the post-production. We can tilt the point of view in any direction. Here, we follow the object while passing above it. This looks like an FPV shot, and it took me quite some time to master this maneuver. You can also leave the horizon upside down and still keep the object in frame. Add 180 roll and you'll have a great boomerang for Instagram. Seems like a roll shot around one scene. The most popular effect in the 360 world is a tiny planet. Some people like it, others not so much. Very easy to make with just one button in the Insta360 Studio. I like these shots, just like one of the DJI's mode. But the DJI drone is stitching the photos into a sphere, and it doesn't look that realistic if you compare it with the Insta360. Sky transition. Very easy to make. Just fly your drone up in 2 different locations. Using the Insta360 Studio, at the end of each clip, add the 360 flip and cut 2 clips together. That will give you a smooth transition for your shot. Dolly Zoom, popular effect. You need to zoom out from the object while moving to it. With the 360 camera, it's easy to zoom in or zoom out in the post-production. So we just need to film a straight fly-through and zoom out in the post. Done! Dolly Zoom is ready. In movies, they use this effect to emphasize a dramatic scene, as if something unthinkable has happened. Feel free to experiment, and I guarantee you'll get unusual results each time. FPV is all about the drone, but with 360 camera, we can create an FPV style. Same here, just film a straight fly-through, add some pan and roll movements, speed up with a bit of blur, and you'll have a nice-looking FPV shot. Same footage can be used for different scenes, like an FPV turn. Looks interesting. And all these effects can be made with simple straight flights in any direction. So how exactly does it work? We have 2 wide-angle lenses that capture 2 half-spheres. They're stitched together into a 360 sphere, and using a special software, we can find the camera in any direction. There's a special tracking function available in the Insta360 Studio. Simply choose an object, like a bike, and the camera will track it, even if it gets behind the drone. By the way, you can also edit your videos with the app on your phone, and you can adjust the aspect ratio after the fact. Super convenient with 9:16 format for social media like Instagram and TikTok. It's nice to have a 360 camera in the air. Be sure you won't miss a thing. I like this gadget. If you want to get something new from your drone, I suggest you try it. Thank you for watching.